This form is where you will enter your manifesto. A manifesto is the things you want to achieve and provide for students during your time as an officer or rep if you are elected. You can save and come back to this form at any time before the submission deadline on Wednesday the 16th of February at midday. First, you'll need to enter your name, student ID number and email address exactly the same as they are on the application form so that we can match them up. If you have a preferred name that is different to the name on your student ID, please enter that here. Next is the exciting part, your manifesto. This is the information we'll provide to students when they come to vote, so make sure everything you'd like them to know is in here. You'll also have the opportunity to summarise your manifesto in 3 key priorities. You'll also need to upload a photo. This will go alongside your manifesto and will be shown when students come to vote. Please tick this box to give the Students' Union permission to use your manifesto and photo in election promotional material. After this, you'll have some reading to do. There are a number of documents that you will have to read, and there are boxes at the bottom to tick to confirm that you have read and understood the information. First is information about the election, the election's regulations and the code of conduct that we expect candidates to follow, the Students' Union bylaws about the election, and the rules and regulations to be followed by university and Students' Union staff. Please make sure that you have read and understood all of these documents and that you tick the boxes at the bottom of each page. Then you can hit submit and will have completed your application to run in the election 2022. If you have any questions about applying, please email Fraser Luther Yarwood at f.lutheryarwood@anglishstudent.com. Or you can speak to one of our SU team at our live chat at www.anglishstudent.com.